How to add a manager to your Instagram account. This tutorial shows you how to connect your Instagram to Meta Business Suite and grant manager access on your Android device. First, open the Meta Business Suite app on your Android device. From there, tap the Tools option at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap Settings to open your business account settings. Scroll down and under Page Settings, tap Instagram. This is where you connect an Instagram profile to your business suite so you can manage access and permissions from one place. Tap Connect, then tap Connect Account to begin linking your Instagram. At this point, you'll be asked to provide your Facebook password to verify your identity. Go ahead and enter it and type Continue. From here, review the permissions that will be granted and make sure Allow Access to Instagram Messages and Inbox is toggled on. Then tap Confirm. Now choose the Instagram account you want to connect from the list of accounts currently logged in on your device and tap on it to complete the connection. Once your Instagram is connected to Meta Business Suite, go into Settings and look for the People or Partners section. From there, you can add a manager by entering their email or Facebook account and assigning them the appropriate role and permissions. Keep in mind, the person you're adding as a manager will need a Facebook account to be granted access through Meta Business Suite. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a manager to your Instagram account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.